Good morning, grade 2. How are you? Today we're going to learn new things about the three-dimensional shapes that we talked before. So stay with me. The first thing we're going to learn is the face of the three-dimensional shape. Now this is the face, which means the sides of it. So let's count how many faces does the square has. Notice that it has 1, 2 here and 3, 4 back. 1 up and 1 down, that make them 6. Count them again. 1, 2, 3 and 4 back, 5, 6. So the cube has 6 faces. The second word is an edge. What is the edge? It is this line that before the sides line of the cube. Okay, this is what we call edge. Let's count how many edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up here as you see. So it has 12 edges. The third word is something we call vertices. What are vertices? They are those angles or those top points, okay? This is vertices. It is the place that connect two or more edges together, okay? So where three or more faces meet or three or more edges here in the angle, as you see, this is what we call vertices, okay? So how many vertices does this cube have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This was about the cube. Now let's try making this cube a rectangular prism as you see here. Okay, not a lot of things changed, that just the height of it. So as you see, count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4 back. Up and down 2, that make them 6 faces. Count edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the cube and the rectangular prism has the same number of of faces, sorry, the same number of edges and the same number of vertices. Now let's try to see a triangle. Okay. Now this is okay, let's try to see a pyramid. Let's try to see a pyramid. Okay, this is okay, they show us the cone, but we want to see the pyramid. So let's try to change it again. Okay, this is the pyramid that you have in your book. Let's try to count. How many faces does it have? How many faces? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 back. That make them 5, okay? How many edges? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 edges. How many vertices? 1 up here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 vertices. Now let's try to make a sphere. Okay, this is the sphere. Can you see that however you round it, it will stay the same? That means it doesn't have any faces, any edges, and any vertices, okay? This is all of our lesson for today. Let's start solving the book questions. Okay. So open your books, page 765, lesson 5, faces, edges, and vertices. Now you have points here, you must connect them. As you see, they will form a cube. So the shape is it is a cube, okay? The shape is a cube. Match the points from 1 to 10 or to 11 to know that it is a cube. Let's see the next page. You can describe three-dimensional shapes by the number of faces, edges, and vertices. This is the edge, as we saw in the video. This is the vertex. Okay, vertex is the singular of vertices, which is the plural. Okay, and this is the face. Oh, this is a face, this is a face, up face, down face, okay? So a face is a flat surface like here. An edge is where two faces meet. This is an edge. And the vertex is where three or more faces meet, which mean the sides of the angels, okay? Now, okay, let's see if you can remember what we said in the first of today's lesson or in the beginning. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Rectangular prism, we said that it has the same number like the cube. So 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. The pyramid has five faces. Count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 edges and 5 vertices, and the sphere has none of them. Okay? Okay. Now, circle the shape that match the description. 0 faces, 0 edges, and 0 vertices. Which one? The sphere, yes. 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Which one? The cube and the rectangular prism. We said that both of them has the same number. Okay. 5 faces. Before I continue reading, which shape has 5 faces? The pyramid. Excellent. 6 equal faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Which one? But remember, they said equal faces. That means they all have the same length, the same width, the same height. None of them are longer than the others. So which one? The cube. So you must know that the cube has equal faces, but the rectangular prisms has 2 faces that are smaller than the other 4. Let's, okay, stop the video, put circles, then follow us. Question 9. Circle the object that match the description. 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Which shape? Yes, this present here and this small wooden box, okay? 0 faces, 0 edges, and the 0 vertices. Yes, the basketball and the small lemon. Okay. 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Yes, this box here. 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. The pyramid. Yes, excellent. The wooden pyramid. Today's lesson is very easy. You must understand it to know how to answer questions. Let's see the last page. Problem solving, question 13, page 768. Mindy drew the three shapes below, as you see here: sphere, pyramid, and a rectangular prism. Circle shape that has 6 faces, 12 edges. Count them. The sphere doesn't have any. The pyramid has 5 faces, and the rectangular prism is the only one who has 6 faces and 12 edges. So it is a rectangular prism. Okay? Now, Ryan has a poster. The poster shows all of the shapes that have less than 3 faces. Circle the shapes that is not on the poster. Okay? So they told us that the shapes that has less than 3 faces, it can stay. But the shapes that has more than 3 faces, he should remove it. So let's count. First, this cylinder, it has 1 face around, 1 up face, and 1 down face. So it has 3 faces. Can it be on the poster? Yes, it can, because 3 and less can be. Now, this cone has one face here and 1 down face. That make them 2. So can it be, or can he put it in the magazine or on the poster? Yes, he can. The sphere has 0. So what about this cube? It has, yes, 6 faces. So which one of the shapes that is not on the poster? The cube, yes. Which shape does not belong? Circle it. Let's count the number of faces. As you see, or as I told you, 1, 2, 3, it has 3 faces. The sphere has, okay, let me erase this again. Okay. Anyway, the sphere has 0, sorry. Okay, 0 faces. This cone has 2 and the cube has 6. So which one doesn't belong? It is the cube, okay? Okay, it is the cube. So all of the other figures have curved faces. Ah, yes. As you notice here, uh, the sphere doesn't have any face, but all of its shape is curved. The cone has very curved face, as you see here. It is like, yes, it is like the ice cream cone. And the cylinder here has a very curved face, but the square faces are flat, okay? And this is the difference. So write it. This is the last page for today. The next 2 pages, which is my homework page 769, 770, is your homework. Do it and send it to me. Now you have another homework, which is I told you about before, but no one did it. Look for items in your homes that has the shape of cube, a rectangular prism, pyramid, sphere, and any 3D or three-dimensional shapes. Tell me about the shape you choose. For example, how many edges does it have? How many faces? How many vertices? Okay. So now you have to choose a shape and to tell me what or how many edges, faces, and vertices does it have? That's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson. It was very funny.